welcome to Educatable, your trusted source for practical neurodivergent affirming strategies to support children who think and learn differently. Today, we are talking about something almost everyone who supports neurodiverse children has faced. Moments when a child becomes dysregulated, overwhelmed, or upset. And the often well-meaning but unhelpful advice. Just calm down. If you have ever said this or heard it, you might have noticed it doesn't work. In fact, it can sometimes make things worse. So, what actually helps a dysregulated child calm down? Let's explore that together. The phrase calm down asks the child to do something that's neurologically very difficult in the moment. When a child is dysregulated, their brain is flooded with stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. This triggers a fight, flight, or freeze response. Telling them to calm down is like telling someone to stop sneezing or stop coughing. It's not an instant choice. Their brain and body need time and support to return to a calmer state. So, what helps? The key is to offer tools that meet the child where they are, physically, emotionally, and neurologically. Here are some practical tips backed by research and clinical experience. Tip number 1, grounding and sensory regulation. Start by helping the child regulate the sensory system. This can be through deep pressure, weighted blankets, a sensory-friendly space, or simple grounding exercises like feeling the texture of an object in the hand, planting the feet firmly on the ground and noticing the sensation, slow, deep breathing. Model it yourself. The goal is to help the nervous system shift from high alert to a more regulated state. Tip number 2, provide predictability and choice. When a child is overwhelmed, uncertainty makes things worse. Offer simple, clear choices to help them feel a sense of control. For example, would you like to sit here or by the window while you take a break? Choice helps the child engage the executive function and feel safer in the moment. Tip number 3, use visual supports and simple language. Visual aids like emotion charts, calming visuals, or break cards can help a child understand and communicate what they're feeling without needing complex language. Use short, clear sentences and calm tones. Avoid overwhelming them with too many words or questions. Tip number 4, connect before correcting. Before trying to teach or correct behavior, first connect emotionally. This can be a brief touch on the shoulder, if appropriate, getting to their eye level, or simply acknowledging their feelings. I see you are feeling really upset right now. That's okay. This connection helps the child feel understood and safe, which supports calming. Tip number 5, plan ahead with personalized calm down strategies. Every child is different. Work with the child and the support team to create a personalized calm down plan with strategies that work best for them. This could include favorite fidget toys, a quiet corner with headphones, movement breaks like jumping, stretching. So remember, instead of saying calm down, try grounding and sensory supports, offering choice and predictability, using visuals and simple language, connecting emotionally before redirecting, planning personalized calm down tools. Helping a dysregulated child calm down isn't about quick fixes or words. It's about understanding their brain, meeting their needs, and offering compassionate support. Thank you for watching Educatable. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical strategies to empower neurodiverse children every day. See you next time.